Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Come along with me today to the Stamp and Scrapbook Expo that was hosted in Mesa, Arizona. They have some amazing new products as well as so many amazing projects that were displayed for some great inspiration. I also met up with fellow YouTubers Maka from Maka's Home and Amanda from Hey Amanda 101. I will link their channels down below. They invited me to a crop and I was able to spend all day Saturday hanging out, crafting, and having a lot of fun. Stay to the end to see all of the items that I hauled. Let me know in the comments down below. Have you ever attended the Stamp and Scrapbook Expo? Let's go take a look inside.
On top of our handmade glitter, any alcohol-based marker to color the mint. So where's the glitter paper? The glitter paper is going to be right here behind us.
Yes, it is cute. I don't know if I'd want to work on her. I forgot your birthday. Go walk around. But yeah, you can definitely do that. You've got some It is. It makes it really nice. You want a receipt today? Yes. Perfect. We'll go for that button, huh? No, your birthday?
She doesn't count me. I figure the less I know, the better.
How much of my ATV is getting in actually?
Oh, I know. Yeah, for a basic one, it does not feel as small as they usually do.
Oh, I love
It is
so hard to make.
still a basic, but it is.
I've made these ones too. Yeah, my little fingers are not little. Yeah. They can, yeah. Yeah, that's right. Look at the sugar they should be all.
Oh yes, it is cute. Really enough some little teacups. Archibald those are nice too. These are beautiful stamps. Cards. They're all nice.
I had so much fun this year attending this expo. I went with one of my friends on Friday to do some shopping, And then I ran into some of my YouTube friends who invited me back to crop with them on Saturday. I will link Maka's channel and Amanda's channel down below. Thank you guys so much for inviting me to the crop. I had so much fun. Now that you've kind of seen what the expo was like, let me show you what I picked up while I was there. It did cost $10 to get in, and you were given a show guide. You were given a button, a reusable bag, as well as a Spectrum Noir marker. Last year when I went, they gave a similar marker, and it looks like it's a different color, so that was for free. Well, you paid the entry fee for it. At one of the booths, I picked up these Christmas puffy stickers. This package was $1. There was another booth where almost everything was $2, so I picked up this stamp and die set. I also picked up this Fancy Pants My Type paper pad. This is 6x8 and it is double-sided. It also had the ephemera, so these were $2 each. The ephemera pack is super cute. I picked up this ephemera pack, Simple Vintage Berry Fields, and I did pick this up for all of the cute fruit that's in here. I did pick up a paper kit. This is the Fancy Pants Happy Halloween. This kit was $8. It has 12 by 12 sheets, some enamel dots, and paper tags and card set, which is the ephemera. These are the pages that are inside. I thought it was a super cute collection. Plus it comes with this ephemera pack and the enamel dots. I was also able to find the ephemera pack. I did not realize that I purchased two. I only meant to purchase one. I also picked up from Spellbinders one of their past card kits, and this is the Time Offline from November 2022. These Spellbinder kits are so fun. I have several of them. I actually brought one of the older kits to the crop with me. It comes with everything you need to create a project. It has a set of dies, some envelopes, stickers, a stamp set, ephemera, sequin, tape and foam tape. It has some more stickers. This one has some puffy word stickers as well. It has 6x6 paper pad, cardstock. Here's the project card. This is the dies that it comes with. Super cute collection. It's all about the outdoors, which I am all about. I scooped up this 12 by 12 sticker sheet. This was only $1.25, and this is Keep It Simple Clementine. Cute images on that. I also grabbed a couple of rolls of washi. These were $1 each. Maka shared with me some of this sticky paper that you can use to make your die cut sticky on the back. And she also picked up one of these glitter misters for me. You put fine glitter in here and then you can spray it on your projects. I ended up spending, including the entrance fee, $55. I think that that was a great deal for all of the items that I purchased, especially since I picked up two different kits. And let me show you the card that I created at the crop. This is my card. I used an old Spellbinders kit like this one. It was called Hey Foxy, and it was from December 2019. All the pieces that I used to make this card except this stamp, everything else was included in the card kit. And that is my haul for the Stamp and Scrapbook Expo 2023. I thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye guys.